If you are wondering what kind of product you should sell to build wealth, I want to help you with that today. If you haven't already figured out what your niche is, then this is where you're going to want to start, is figuring out your niche. Now, to me, it's very important that your niche be something that you really love talking about. It's going to be something that comes naturally to you. You really enjoy talking about it with other people. Consider that. Think about that. If you need help figuring out your niche, then I also have the Ikigai downloadable worksheet. It's totally free. You can see the link and access it, but it's going to help you figure out how your passion can align with the market needs. And if you can sell something you love talking about, I can't think of a better scenario of building wealth. So download that worksheet. But here's what you do. You find one or two things that are closely aligned that you can talk about. They integrate well together. Like, for example, mine is mindset, and it is about teaching people how to build wealth, right? And so those closely align. You can find two things that align that you can easily talk about. So with that, then you have to create products. So you want to create products that have little to no overhead. You create them one time and you can sell them over and over again. You're going to want to create low ticket products and high ticket products. Someone who doesn't know you is not going to turn around and buy a $10,000 product from you right off the bat, but they may actually buy a $47 product. And if you've captured their email, as I always advise that you do, you can begin to have a conversation and build credibility with them and sell them your next higher ticket product. Maybe it's a $250 course or a $500 course, and from there you can build that relationship to be able to sell them a $5,000 or $10,000 coaching package or whatever it is you're trying to sell. So you work your way up, and that's actually called a funnel. And typically funnels start with a lead magnet where the email is captured, and then you begin selling them other things and giving them other types of value, and you build up to that. Make sure you have that email, though. I can't emphasize that enough, because that's going to enable you. Because once someone has bought from you one time, the chances are significantly higher that they will buy from you again, especially if the product you sold them initially was very good. It was a valuable product that actually made their life better. So you will definitely want to follow up with that person and say, hey, I hope you enjoyed this product. I have this other thing I want to offer you. And, some of those people are going to turn around and buy that too. So I hope that helps you. I'll see you next time.